Meaning of hydroplaning.
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 Hydroplaning. Hydroplaning is a phenomenon that occurs when a vehicle's tires lose traction on a wet surface, causing the vehicle to slide along the water surface instead of gripping the road. This happens when the layer of water between the tires and the road surface becomes too thick for the tires to effectively displace, leading to a loss of control of the vehicle. As a result, the vehicle may skid or spin out of control, posing a serious risk to the driver and passengers. Drivers can avoid hydroplaning by slowing down and avoiding sudden movements while driving on wet roads.